Welcome back, dear students. I'm your maths teacher, Teacher Surekha Nilesh Purohit. In the previous session, we have learnt about Roman numerals and international numbers, and we have also seen the difference between them. We had also learnt about the important rules of writing Roman numerals. Remember the 4 important rules, students? In this session, we are going to apply those 4 rules and solve the whole problem set 1 of Roman numerals. Let's start. Problem set 1. Question number 1. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. That means in this question you need to convert all the international numbers from 1 to 20 into Roman numerals. Answer. 1 stands for I, 2 stands for II, 3 stands for III, 4 stands for IV, 5 stands for V, 6 stands for VI, 7 stands for VII, 8 stands for VIII, 9 stands for IX, 10 stands for X, 11 stands for XI, 12 stands for XII, 13 stands for XIII, 14 stands for XIV, 15 stands for XV, 16 stands for XVI, 17 stands for XVII, 18 stands for XVIII, 19 stands for IX, 20 stands for XX. Second question, write the following numbers using international numerals. That means here you need to convert the Roman numerals into international one. Answer. V stands for 5, VII stands for 7, X stands for 10, XIII stands for 13, XIV stands for 14, XVI stands for 16, XVIII stands for 18, IX stands for 9. Question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. Here you will be finding numbers are given and Roman numerals are given. Somewhere numbers are given and somewhere Roman numerals are given. So you need to fill the boxes accordingly, students. Answer. The number given here is 3. Its Roman numeral is III. Roman numeral given is as VIII. Number is 8. The number given is 6. The Roman numeral is VI. Roman numeral given is XII. Number is 12. Number given is 15. Roman numeral is XV. Last one, Roman numeral is given as XIX. The number is 19. Question number 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. 9 stands for IX, 2 stands for II, 17 stands for XVII, 4 stands for IV, 11 stands for XI, 18 stands for XVIII. The last question, question number 5. In the table below, each given number is international numeral and then again in Roman numeral. If it is written correctly in Roman numeral, put a tick in the box under it. If not, put wrong mark and correct it. That means the question above states that, students, the numbers given here are in international and Roman numerals. So we need to put tick mark if the answer is right. If the answer is incorrect, we need to correct it and write. Answer. International numerals are given, Roman numerals are given, and right and wrong column is given. And the last column is, if it is wrong, we need to correct it. First one, international number is 4. Roman numeral they have given is as I. So it is absolutely wrong. We need to correct it. First we need to put a wrong mark. We have put a wrong mark over there, and the correct answer is IV. Second one, international number is 6. Roman numeral for that is given as VI. So it is absolutely right. Next international number is given as 8. Roman numeral is IIX. It is absolutely wrong, so we'll put wrong in the column and we will correct it and write as VIII. International numeral given is 16. Roman numeral is XVI, and it is absolutely right, so we'll put tick mark in the column. The last international numeral given is 15. Roman numeral given there is as VVV. It is absolutely wrong, so we will put wrong in the wrong column and we will correct it and write as XV. I hope you understood the problem set. There's an activity for you students. Apart from clocks and watches, where else do we see Roman numerals? So students, think about it and do it in your notebook. Thank you. Study well. Write all your notes. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you all.